Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. We got something different today. This is my 1988 Honda CRX SI that I just recently acquired. And for any UEF guys out there that are watching this, or you know how hard it is to find one of these things, especially in this good a shape. I've owned several of these cars, and this car has a crazy backstory. I won't bore you with that, but it's basically a one-owner car, and I scored picking it up. I really did. So I'm gonna take you through. Basically, I'm getting ready to paint this car. It needs a little TLC because you know it's 30 plus years old. With that being said, it is a very clean car. Take you over here to the quarters here. I've gone ahead and grinded them down just to make sure. There was a little rust bubble here starting on the edge, but just to show you, like even all the spot welds are, you know, still there. So everything's pretty solid. Even the rockers on this thing, like I've gone ahead and torn it apart already. I did that at home. You know, I don't want to bore you guys with that boring details. Basically, everything was taken apart. We're gonna do a glass out paint job on this. I have a friend coming on the weekend to pull all the glass out, because that is not my forte. And a lot of this stuff for these old cars is irreplaceable. So we have no choice. I went to Honda. I don't know if you can see here, but typical problem for these old EFs is the hood cable sticking on them, and it's got a bunch of palm prints in it. You know, I would have bought a new one from Honda, but you can't get any body panels for these cars anymore, so we don't have any choice but to fix it. A lot of the moldings are still available, so I can get all the glass moldings and stuff, so that's not an issue. But body panels discontinued, so I'm gonna take you guys through of how you got to do it when nothing's available anymore. So like on these bumpers, like the two-tone, so obviously we can't buy a new bumper, we gotta redo it. So if we just paint just the black, you know, this plastic, I don't know if you can see that, it almost looks like bluish purple because it's so old and just, you know, weathered over the years, stone chipped. So I'll show you guys, take you through, show you how I would redo the two-tone on that, and just basically all the moldings, how to make it look new, basically. So and look like it was meant to be like that. So I'll just show you guys on the inside here, like how usually these cars, when you take the inner panels out, you know, they're full of mud or rust. So this car is actually really clean, even with the end panel. Like everything came apart like butter. Like UEF guys know, like where do you find one with the rebar not rotting out? So everything came apart beautifully. So yeah, no, it should be fun. Stay tuned.